To another CreataTube video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this little polybag right here. It is a Ewing Fighter Star Wars set. I got it from a K-Zone magazine booklet thing. I'm not sure if they have them in America. I'm sure you'll still be able to get this though. That I'm in Australia, or I don't know if you can get it in Europe or something, I don't know. But I'm going to be reviewing this today. It was $6 with the magazine, so let's get right on into it. So now let's move on to the review part of this video. So overall, this set's a fairly good one for only $6. It's a cool little Star Wars Ewing. It's really good because it has, I like it because it has these boosters and the cockpit and that. But also, you can do some cool things if you want with this thing here, if you position it right or something, I don't know. You can do whatever you want. But one thing I really like is, well, these are the spare pieces I got. Some fairly good ones. But what I really like is it comes with these pieces. White stud, but it has a hole through it. One thing I really like is it has this orange see-through stud with a hole through it. So that's how you can make thrusters. So again, overall, it's a very good set for $6. I would highly suggest getting it. It comes with some pretty good pieces. And apart from that, thank you so much for watching this CreataTube video, and I'll see you next time. See ya!